guys, I'm in the new car. I really like it. And we decided to go camping. And we just got here and my husband went to go sign up. We're at Cave Mountain Lake Campgrounds in Virginia. Next time you get some time off work, we should go camping again. Yeah. Oh, I felt a raindrop.
I think it was just left. Hey, can you do that, pop that corner?
Yeah, hold on. You have a sandwich already, Ruben. I got given a gift. And I'm wearing it. And it was handmade.
Did you bring any forks?
No.
I told you to bring some.
I forgot. I'm sorry.
You don't have a single fork.
No. You want Mommy to take some pictures of you?
I want a flower.
Be careful. Are you okay? You got flowers.
Bye-bye, Tiger.
Camping.
How about picking more than one?
You're picking a flower.
You like the flowers?
Like a flower?
Mm-hmm.
It's really.
How about if we take this one?
I don't think you're technically allowed to pick flowers.
Doesn't matter. Nobody's gonna say anything.
Are you drinking water?
I want some more.
There's a car coming, isn't there?
Blue Kenny. He keeps saying it.
Blue car, I think.
Oh, blue car.
More.
You want more water?
More water. More this. More this.
There's a bug in your water, Ruben. I mean, we'll dump it out.
How to play?
More.
Yes, we're gonna get some.
More.
We only have 3 more bottles of water.
What? Are you serious?
Yeah. There'll be one for each of us, okay?
No.
Are you serious? Still one. Oh, darn it, he grumbled as he pulled on his hat. I've got to find something to eat, and he stomped down the stairs and he stomped out the door, though he was usually quite light on his feet. Now, hippos are big, and hippos are plump. Their bodies are heavy and lumpy, and the ground always shakes if they stomp when they walk, and hippos stomp when they're grumpy.
So here's a quick tour of our tent. Okay, so I have my sleeping place right here, and we sleep on these mattresses. They're 4 lawn chairs, but we bought them to sleep on. They're really nice and they fit really well in our car. So here's Ruben's little bed right here, and it's just 2 down covers. It's like nice and soft. There's his bed. And then we have Mommy's pillow, Daddy's pillow, Daddy's second pillow, and our sleeping bags to sleep on. We're starting a fire. I have to go get Ruben.
Come on.
What you doing? Ruben Alexander. That's your name. Come on, let's go back to Daddy. He's gonna start a fire. Do you wanna watch? Wanna watch Daddy start a fire? Yeah, and then Mommy's gonna nurse you to sleep. And then her and Daddy are gonna enjoy the nice fire together. Pretty flowers. A whole bunch of pretty flowers.
I cooked it.
Really
Really what?
gross, yucky leaves that look like they're full of mold.
That'll be fine.
Okay, fire.
We're not going to play fire. We're going to make a fire.
Fires aren't for playing, but for enjoying the warmth. I don't like the leaves.
Why? It's
I
kindling.
don't know. Okay.
Careful. No falling.
Are you okay? Come on, Ruben. Let's stay in the camp area. You're getting your pajamas all dirty.
Okay.
Let me brush you off. Stand up.
Well, yeah.
Yeah, let me brush you off. Stand here. Brush, 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 brush the boy. Fix your shoe. Brush, 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 brush the boy.
It's gonna last like 30 or 45 minutes. Should I go get another $4 worth from her? So that we can make it last a couple hours?
I don't think we need it to last that long, do we? I mean, after the boy goes to bed and it gets dark, I plan on going to bed.
Okay.
Nice early bedtime. Like, I plan to talk to you for like a little while, but then I plan to go to bed.
I just feel like it's not going to last very long. This is probably like a 45-minute fire that we got here.
Okay.
What do you think?
I'm fine with that. Are you? Why don't we wait to light it until the boy goes to bed and then we can enjoy it ourselves? Or you can go get more $4 worth, but I don't think we'll use it.
Yeah, I could put it on right now.
I don't want a bonfire. He put his flashlight in the car. This one before?
I started listening to it 2 days ago.
Yeah.
And I only got to like chapter 3.
I saw you were on chapter like 4.
I fell asleep for the last part last night.
hatred. So that's that then, said Gomer. I shall wait for you here and see you all in 3 hours' time. I really need a nap. Way too early for me.